This is Mandarin meets English. Today's topic: Summit Tales, a journey through Taiwan's peaks. Today's speaker, Chad, has an American accent. Nestled in the heart of Asia, Taiwan boasts a diverse landscape that beckons adventurers from across the globe. Amidst the lush greenery and towering peaks, a group of friends embarked on a daring expedition to conquer Taiwan's renowned summits. Their journey, filled with breathtaking scenery, unpredictable weather, and invaluable lessons in mountain safety, became an unforgettable odyssey through the island's majestic mountains. Chapter 1: The Call of the Peaks. In the quaint town of Nantou, a group of friends, Eva, James, and Alex, gathered to embark on an adventure that would take them to some of Taiwan's highest peaks. Mount Jade, Yushan, the highest peak in East Asia, stood tall, casting a majestic shadow over the landscape. The call of the peaks echoed in the hearts of these intrepid adventurers, drawing them to the challenge that awaited. The journey began with a trek through dense forests, the air thick with the scent of pine and the melodic chirping of birds. The lush vegetation gradually gave way to rocky slopes as the trio ascended, each step bringing them closer to the towering summit that touched the sky. Chapter 2: The Symphony of Nature. As the friends ascended, the landscape unfolded like a living canvas painted with vibrant hues. The emerald greenery of the lower slopes transitioned to alpine meadows adorned with a myriad of wildflowers. The symphony of nature surrounded them, the rustle of leaves, the babbling of crystal-clear streams, and the distant calls of unseen creatures. The higher they climbed, the air became thinner, and the panoramic views of the surrounding valleys emerged. The peaks of neighboring mountains emerged like ancient sentinels, silently witnessing the passage of time. The journey was not just a physical ascent but a spiritual communion with the natural world. Chapter 3: The Capricious Weather. As the friends continued their ascent, they encountered the unpredictable nature of mountain weather. Clear blue skies could swiftly give way to swirling clouds and biting winds. The temperature fluctuated dramatically, underscoring the importance of preparedness in the face of Mother Nature's capricious temperament. At higher altitudes, they navigated through wisps of clouds that clung to the mountainside like ethereal veils. The ever-changing weather added an element of challenge to their expedition, reminding them of the mountain's untamed spirit and the necessity of adapting to its whims. Chapter 4: A Night Beneath the Stars. Reaching the summit as the sun began its descent, the friends were greeted by a celestial spectacle. The vast expanse of the night sky unfolded before them, with stars glittering like diamonds against the inky canvas. A sense of awe and humility washed over them as they gazed at the cosmos from the rooftop of Taiwan. The trio set up camp, bundled in warm layers, sharing stories and laughter beneath the cosmic tapestry. The mountain peaks, once towering and formidable, now felt like companions in the grandeur of the universe. The night on the summit became a cherished memory, a reminder of the sublime beauty that awaited those who dared to ascend. Chapter 5: Lessons in Mountain Safety. As dawn painted the horizon with hues of pink and gold, the friends prepared for their descent. Yet, the descent, with its steep slopes and unpredictable terrain, brought a new set of challenges. It was during this phase of their journey that the importance of mountain safety became paramount. Guided by their experienced local guide, Mr. Chong, the friends learned essential safety protocols. They were taught the proper use of climbing equipment, the importance of pacing oneself to avoid altitude sickness, and the necessity of staying hydrated and nourished. Mr. Chong emphasized the significance of respecting the mountain, understanding its moods, and always being prepared for the unexpected. Chapter 6: The Descent and Resilience. The descent, though physically demanding, allowed the friends to reflect on the resilience required in both mountaineering and life. Each step downward was a test of stamina and mental fortitude. The steep, rocky paths demanded focus, balance, and strategic navigation. As they descended through alpine forests and serene meadows, the friends realized that the mountains, with their challenges and triumphs, mirrored the peaks and valleys of life itself. The descent became a metaphor for resilience, the ability to navigate through the rocky terrain and emerge stronger on the other side. Chapter 7: The Closing Summit. Their journey through Taiwan's peaks continued as the friends explored other majestic summits, each with its unique challenges and allure. The twins, Shuishan and Nanhu, the rugged beauty of Huanshan, and the mesmerizing vistas from Alishan, all offered a diverse tapestry of experiences that enriched their mountain odyssey. Through rain and sunshine, wind and calm, the friends discovered that each summit was a chapter in an ever-evolving narrative. Taiwan's peaks, with their untamed beauty and unpredictable weather, had become the friends' beloved companions in a journey that transcended the boundaries of the physical world. Chapter 8: The Last Sunset. As the friends neared the end of their mountainous adventure, they ascended a peak to witness the last sunset of their expedition. The sun dipped below the distant horizon, casting hues of orange and purple across the landscape. The silhouettes of mountains, once towering challenges, now stood as symbols of triumph and growth. They stood in silent reverence, acknowledging the lessons learned, the friendships forged, and the indomitable spirit of the mountains. The sun's descent mirrored their own descent from the lofty heights, marking the end of one journey and the beginning of another. Chapter 9: A Bond Forged in the Mountains. Back in Nantou, as the friends bid farewell to the peaks that had become their companions, they realized that the mountains had not just been a backdrop for adventure but had become a catalyst for transformation. The shared challenges, the sublime beauty, and the lessons in resilience. Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description. You are welcome to download and review. Keep practicing, and you will get the results you deserve.